Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have Mark's car in here. This is a GR86. He picked this up actually used, and he brought it to us right away. We are going to be helping him set the car up. He is a track / autocross guy. So first on the list is going to be Billet Workz short throw shifter, which reduces throw by about 30%. It's got a weighted knob on it that is sold separately. And we're going to install the AWE Touring exhaust system with the polished tips. So stay tuned and follow us through. We're just going to do a quick install for you guys, kind of show you what's going on. And we're installing some Titan 7 TS5s, which is a forged lightweight wheel, so that's going to help him on the track as well as a coilover system or some lowering springs. I think he's still deciding on what to do. All right guys, here's the tips. These things are awesome. This is the AWE Touring system that we're going to put on this guy's car. This thing's going to look really sick. If you guys want, there's some videos that we did before on the comparison of these. We did a full install video. I'm going to put a link up here. So make sure you guys check that out if you guys want to hear the differences in this. Also, we're just going to breeze through this install, get this guy sorted out a little bit. Let's make sure we get him his blow pop. Let's go put that inside right now. So this is super cool. Looks like there's serial number of these now. Our first ones that we did didn't have serial numbers. These are the special mufflers that have the 180-degree technology that eliminates all drones. So much stuff. Ooh, it's pretty cool. So guys, I'm just gonna give you some common tips again as you guys are watching this. This is super easy to take off. You're gonna wanna take off the 2 bolts here that are behind the front pipe to remove the cat back system. Hardest thing on this is actually dropping the exhaust, getting these hangers off. We actually have a tool. I'll show you how to do it real quick. But what you wanna do is I'll show you how to do it with a bar and I'll show you how to do it with a tool. This is an exhaust removal tool. So what you wanna do is you're gonna put this in here, and this is basically just gonna push this hanger out, just like that. So if you're doing a lot of exhaust installs, I would highly recommend getting one of these things. You can do it the old way. Let me show you how. This is the old school way with soap and water, and you literally just use this as a pry bar. Let's go to the other side. And you legit push it off. So I'm trying to push the top one off on this right now. As you can see, the other way is 10 times better. It's all about the angle, so hang on. So here's the cool thing, I did that. Now I still gotta get it off this thing. So when we get on the ground, you're always messing with pulling these off. If you use the exhaust hanger removal tool, 10 bucks on Amazon or something, you got a better job of doing this easier and faster. So while Mark was here, he opted for some carbon accessories. So we're gonna have another video where we're gonna install a front lip, kind of a splitter style from Rexpeed, some side skirts from Rexpeed. It's gonna be the first one, so we'll kind of do a walkthrough on that potentially. And then we installed, this is our spoiler that we had a lot of involvement with early on. This one is a little bit different than some of the other ones. It actually comes up to the edge really nice and clean. There's some other spoilers out there that have like a good gap here, and it just doesn't look as clean of fitting. So this is our spoiler. It's on the website under the Speed Industry brand. So check it out. It's a really good product. Yesterday we finished the AWE Touring exhaust. This is the #1 seller. You can check it out on our website. This thing's super popular. It's available in the silver tips or the diamond black. The diamond black seems to be a little more popular. And one thing, these guys have been on pre-order since they've been released. So if you want one of these, you really need to put your order in for a pre-order. It goes in line. We got a big list going, and we will fill the orders as soon as possible. We have a ton of them coming in the next couple of days. Those are gonna be filling all the orders from Black Friday. But this system is awesome, guys. You can go back and check out the earlier video here and check it out with the install. You can do a comparison video also with the track and the touring system. We did that on our car. This dude is super happy to install this. While he was here, we also put the Titan 7s on, lowered it, and we put a billet shifter in, a Billet Workz short throw shifter, which reduces the throw about 30%. So here guys, real quick, this is the difference between the OEM one and the aftermarket Billet Workz one. You can see they extend this here, but you can see the quality is really good on the Billet Workz. This is all plastic on the OEM. This is nice. It even moves a lot smoother, I think. As I mentioned earlier, he's been setting the car up for autocross and some track events, so he's really getting this thing dialed in as much as possible, and I'm sure he's going to use our friends over at Apex Alignment, and Alex is going to get him dialed in, so he's good to go. Thanks a lot, guys. Stay tuned for the next video.